you're like me and you are double booked a lot in your calendar and you've got multiple Teams meetings scheduled at the same time, you'll probably be familiar with this frustration that I have time and time again. And that is that people will start chatting in a meeting that you're not in, and it will start disrupting you and start distracting you from the meeting that you're currently attending. Well, Microsoft has rolled out a new feature that they didn't roll out with a whole lot of fanfare, so it's a little bit hidden, but that's the ability to mute meeting chats unless you actually join the meeting. Let me show you real quick how to get there and set that up. So if I go up here in the upper corner and I click on my settings in Microsoft Teams, then if I go to notifications right here in the middle, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see this new area right here, meeting chat notifications. By default, this will be set to unmute, and that means that any chat that you get from a meeting that you're not in will come on through, it will notify you with the banners and all of that. If you want to suppress that, you can select this middle option right here, mute until I join or I send a message. What's great about that is now the meeting chat, even though you weren't in the meeting, you still get that chat, it just won't notify you of those chats. So if you're needing to focus on the meeting that you're in and you're going to go back later on and check the chat for the meeting you couldn't attend, you still have those chats, it just doesn't bother you during your current meeting. So if I select that, mute until I join, I don't need to click save or anything, just close out my settings, and now I'll be distraction free during my current meetings. It's a real quick tip, and I'll see you next week.